pigeon them there, you know, my people.
See where she hit it on. I mean, man, we.
Oh no, look how stretch burn up the bird.
Look how Micky make the bird.
I'm so glad you know say I know me they do nothing in the kitchen today.
Welcome back to the channel again. No don't know. At the same day, guys, we there go and deal with some excavation fish and thing. Yeah, man, at the same day. But I want to show now another process what we deal with. Yeah, man. So I'm going to line up some slingshot ban and thing. So I want to show you the process of how I get it done. Because me and Micky are going to do some practicing in the evening you know, because tomorrow morning we are going to shoot some pigeon in the town. Yeah, man. So I have my slingshot ban right here. So guys, I also got a rotary cutter. I also got the, I don't know what this name guys, but I hit you use to tie the tongue to the rubber. You have the target, and you have the mat, the mat that you put the band on. And we also got this, the guide, the mat guide, where we use to cut it. I'm not really sure what this name guys, but this is the mat, rotary cutter. This is what we use to tie the tongue to the slingshot band. Alright. So when we see the process guys of how we deal with everything. So we just did want to show you how we get the process done, and then me and Micky are going to take some target practice in the evening. So if you never see a video like this before, or you don't want to know how we get to cut the band them like that, you don't get to see it in this video guys. I understand. So you just stay tuned and watch the process. Now what I'm gonna do is I need to measure the rubber. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna make sure that the rubber is cut evenly. So I'm gonna use this to cut the rubber evenly guys. So I use the line on here to adjust it. Then we use the rotary cutter. Press down on it to make one clean cut, guys. One clean cut. Up. There we go. One clean cut. Now it's all squared. You can see it right there, guys. It's squared. So guys, this is a slingshot. Now I already have a band inside of it, but I want to show you guys how I prepare the bands. So I'm going to unscrew it. So after I unscrew everything guys, you just press in on the screw and it comes loose. So now I'm gonna make a band set like this one. Only thing with this is the tongue that I like to use guys, or the basil that I like to use. So I'm gonna use this and these bands. my people, finish cut the band set and everything. So all we need to do now is just install it. Now you want to make sure that the part that's folded is on the top, not the bottom. You don't want it to be like this. You want it to be on the top, because when you stretch the band, you need to be looking down the band set. Voila, that's it, guys. So yes, my peeps, so right now we're gonna just get a couple practice round, so you know I'll see that in a little bit. Alright guys, so
Come here, social man.
I'm gonna take a shot at 15 yards. Already walked the steps, guys. 15-yard shot, you know. Right, you 15-yard shot, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Alright, so guys, me only show you 2 of the 3 shots that I took, and this is it. That is only 2 of the 3 shots, guys. So you have one right here, one right here, one right here, and this surface area, guys, is about the same size as a pigeon's chest. Yeah, man, and this is at 15 yards. Yep. So yeah, man, me dead on with the slingy that I put together myself. Yes, I. So guys, I don't know where going on. Problem me I give Micky out there tomorrow, you know. Problem. So Micky, I will get for your practice run now, you know, guys. So now just stay tuned. Cause she thinks she hot in the system. A long time she not shoot, you know, guys. So
Yeah.
boy, she in for a treat. Cause she bad pan the gun, you know, guys. But tell her she fi always practice her slinging. But she not listen to me. So now she need a little practice, you know.
You know, from when me
Yeah.
have time for myself, much less to do that.
Don't give the people them no excuse, Micky. Just make
Straight,
the
you
people
know
them
say
know
no
say me I
excuse.
top. Just make the people them know say me a top shooter, and that is it. That's
Straight, you know, say no excuse. You know that.
Micky, just make the people know say me a top shooter.
Can me have
that
things
is
to
it.
do.
That is it, Micky. Just make them know say me a top shooter. Alright, guys. So she's gonna shoot off of the same leaf, guys.
Which leaf?
You know, the same leaf when I put them through. Yeah, 15 yards. Because we're not going to see the pigeon them further than that, guys. Because this is the next thing I should tell you guys. The next thing, if the target is at 15 yards, it's the same 15 yards you're gonna aim upwards. If the pigeon is about, you're gonna measure the distance on the ground. It's the same distance on the ground in the air. So if the pigeon is at 15 yards in the air, it's the same distance I'm gonna aim with the slingshot. So if it's at 10 yards in the air, it's the same distance as if it was on the ground. You understand? So when I don't know anything set up. Hot me hot in the building. Micky got nothing on the general. So yes, guys, Micky is ready for us now, you know. Micky took a shot before, guys, and it's dead center in the leaf. So she's about 10 yards, guys. Just some warm-up shots, you know. So you see right here, guys. You lick it the third time to you. Me actually think you did miss Mickey, but you don't miss. So this is the 3 shots, guys. So I don't know say she on point as well, guys. So I go on. Yeah, man. And this is mine. This is my 3 shots. Yeah. Yeah, me know you ain't comfortable with the shot. That is the thing. So take another one. Take another one.
The same leaf?
She's gonna try after my leaf, guys. Yeah. My leaf is smaller than hers, so make we see her gonna. Yeah, come tell her so she can't shoot like a man and she think I joke, you know, guys. She not listen, you know. Me hot Jenna, me top man in my system. You licky?
What you mean if me licky?
Let me go
at
look.
you.
Let me go look, Panny. Let me go look, Panny. Me ratted me see it.
Okay.
Yes, guys, me see it. Yes. See it here, guys. This is her shot. Yeah.
Let me try to lick it further.
Alright, so she's gonna try another shot off. Alright, guys. Come here, have to say try, you know, guys, cause she not hot yet, guys.
Whatever
she not hot
stretch.
yet. She not hot like me yet, guys. You understand? I'm the real G, the real Jenna.
You're
the
not
people
tired?
them know.
You're not tired?
Oh, me feel tired, Mickey. Mickey never tired of troubling you. It's worth it. Alright.
They lick back the same place up at top there.
I see him place licking the same hole.
No, different hole, but I see
Oh.
up at top. On
Yes,
the edge.
me see
You
it.
want make her edge again? Oh, me
See
know
the
me
guys.
need to do.
So you see what going, guys? She hit right here instead, just above. So this was the first shot. This is the second one. Blow, wow. Yeah, hit the target in the same spot.
Me need to do
My
some
shot them.
adjustment.
Yeah. So this is how we do it, guys. Warm up before, so we know. Yeah. Tomorrow morning, now we just head out early. I'm gonna take them down, you know. Blow, wow. Me see that one there. Me turn from here so I see it. Guys, turn from here so I see that one there. See where she hit the target, yeah. Yeah. She hot, man. She a go on with herself. She a go on with herself, but me don't want you feel too good doing no Mickey. Cause you know say me a top man already.
Just stop it, guys.
Just calm down
was so
yourself.
tired.
Calm down yourself. So guys, I'm not done there, you know. Tomorrow, in the morning, we're gonna see the hunt to go on. See?
Yes,
So
guys.
stay tuned.
Bye.
Yes, my peeps. I don't know anything set up, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Morning just a light out, you know, guys. And me I tell you, know. See now, time for we move out, you know. Yeah, man, me and Mickey there. See her, guys. Yeah. We're ready in the morning, my peeps. I will start the hunting, you know. We have a little journey if you walk up on the spot. You understand? Yeah, man. She cold in the morning, same way too, guys, but you don't know it go. See her.
Oh, guys.
Yeah. Last night we did a party and thing, you know, guys. You don't know it go.
Not really party, guys, but
Yeah, just a little.
as you know, me down and my auntie, guys, and she have a shop in the yard, so we just went the whole vibes, you know.
Go vibe, yeah. So I don't know how that go, guys, but
Yeah,
just,
boogie, you know, guys.
now
Catch
just
we
stay
out
tuned, guys, because we're go boogie off right now, see?
there. Guys, we're there, you know, guys. Look up there, so. Look there, guys. Pigeon them there, you know, my people. Yeah, man. So, we're there, guys. Come for shoot down couple of them, you know. Yeah.
Yes, my peeps, so we're there on the spot, you know. You can see the whole of them on the line.
Okay.
Stretch.
Let me see how great you is a fire though. I have done that first.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the one who just fly come there, so? The one where they lift up in wing. The one who lift up in wing and the him will lick. Him a prune in wing right so. Look over there. One. I mean, man, we eat them, man. We eat them. Hey, first one, guys. Let's see what I got. First one, peeps.
Yes,
first
guys.
One, yeah, man.
Me I go make. Guys, me I go make sure shoot down a couple of them first. Which one? Ain't gone? Ain't get you know?
Whoa.
Ain't get you know?
Yeah, I get you what you got right over there.
Whoa, see what next one here, guys. Me no see the one me shooting no peeps. He come somewhere here, so but me no see him. But see what next one up on the ground, guys. No see him, no at all. Where he go? One up on the ground here, so do, guys. I make him go and walk and so till he stop. So I can burn him. I'm gonna walk, see him where. Alright. Jaja! Jaja! You not dead? Oh gosh. Guys, we don't know where he come. We don't see him. We don't see him, guys. Alright. We don't see him, guys. I don't know where he go. But we have more for shoot. Have more for shoot, guys. Have more for shoot. Me not see him, Micky. Oh, the one I leaked before, yes. Guys, see the one I shoot over there, so. I see me burn him again. The whole line cry look like he mash out already, you know. Pigeon. Alright, you can get that one there again, guys.
No sir, I want to make him so tough.
Me see them, man, see them there. Whole heap of them. Yo, you just have some. Right away. Yeah, in God underneath the car. Oh, me see him. Yeah, me people, so guess what I go on now? You know, say we there and yo, me don't know how the pigeon them look like. Them realize there's something that go on. The pigeon, them a take with themselves, guys. We don't really see nothing. Them fly off, and whole bunch of them fly off and gone.
A whole bunch of them did there, guys, and then they fly off. Look funny like wire, guys.
We come out early.
Yeah, see nothing again.
Because you don't know a town we in and we can shoot where they carry them there, guys, and all of them things. And business place are opening and one thing. So we did hope for a better turnout in one way, but it not seems like it go work out how we want it. We go wait to have some more and see what can go on still, but let's just see, you know. Yeah, man. So you just stay tuned, my peeps, and make we see what can go on. Yeah. Yes, my peeps. So we've been looking and looking. We haven't seen any more pigeons, guys. So
guys, you all of them who did sip on the line, then fly gone.
Fly off.
We don't know where they gone. Everything gone, guys. I want to see the amount of them.
Yeah. And you don't know where you go, guys. We don't really want to stay out there till when the town gets so busy.
Yeah, because they already get busy. Place are open and
place them are open and stuff me and also.
You know, vehicle are pass. Now, we plan to come early, come deal with the guys.
Yeah.
As we come, guys, and we clap, stretch clap two of them, guys. Everything just gone.
Yeah, them just fly off.
So it look like they have somewhere else where they can go.
So would have guys, the last time we come here, them did have a tree where them are flying now. But we now go stay so long again.
Yeah.
So they might come back, you know. But them not really there in the town, you know, guys. I don't know where them go. So we go just might be. We know a little spot where we know we might can get 2 white crown or something like that. So I go check that little spot there and see what can go on for we. If not,
we just start out then 2 years.
Start out then 2 years.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, man, we plan to say the video did more than nice. You know,
guys, me say actually, I know me not get my shot yet, you know. Me not even warm up yet, you know.
Nothing yet. You see me, guys, but you know, just stay tuned, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Sometime it don't work out how you want it at all times, so we just have to work with the flow, you understand? So, no, just keep on watching, guys. No, don't know.
Yes, guys.
Speed up, you know, guys. Nice, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah. P-Dove.
Speed up this, guys.
That is it.
Yeah, man. So we just have walk, guys, and see what we can do, you know? That is it. One shot.
I know some see me now.
One shot to the chest now, guys. One to the chest.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh. Pick them off and I wanna. Cause I don't know where you go. You can see when me deal with them crabby. Guys, Micky not really shoot no bird in that video, yeah? Because the pigeon them end up when go. You understand? So we plan to do a next video, so no worry yourself, guys. I go see Micky do some shooting in another one day, you understand? Yeah, because I give her a run for her money, you know? Yeah, man. But I'll go and breast them one, you know, guys.
Me not want to say nothing, you know, guys.
You know?
Guys, the whole plan again was to stretch shoot some first, at least 5 to 6 of them, and then me start shoot. And then he reach a 4, as you can see, guys. And we not see no more bird, so me don't know how comes me I go shoot.
So, but plans change.
Exactly, that if you tell the people
Only-
them
only
plans change because we don't see no more bird.
Only top shooter alone.
Whatever,
Alone,
that's why them I got done you like a gun.
guys, you don't know, just comment team stretch. That's how you think.
That not gonna work.
So guys, get our feather for them in another bag there, you know. So,
Mm-hmm.
don't know where you go.
Guys, we're here with Little Miss, you know. She did in my birthday vlog, guys.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. And
One, a team Micky, you know.
of course.
Stretch.
All right. Right there, sir.
One team Micky.
All right, you hear that? Loud and clear.
Yeah, and you don't know, guys, you hear she says team stretch.
Yeah.
So,
And see our daughter here, guys. And little Sheldon is here. And the liquid general. Watch him with feather in her head. So we have picked them up, guys. We have picked them up.
Yeah.
Get them all pick up and thing. And then we are going to show now how we are going to deal with them, guys.
When they wing them bossa.
So
Yeah,
now
my
stay
broken wing,
tuned.
man. I shoot him broken wing.
He can't fly. He's still alive. You know.
The next one dead. The one there, what is it?
Two of them alone. He's still alive.
Then you can't keep him, you know. No. You can't keep him.
Straight eat him, I get eaten.
We are eating today.
Mark cracker.
That's how we make catch him and goose and me. Boil him
I
off
didn't
and
catch him
everything.
on your phone. Subscribe to my channel, guys.
I like.
Yes.
That's a hoe, that's a hoe.
Me data, like you want on YouTube.
YouTuber. I like.
Subscribe, guys, to my channel.
Yeah, learn.
Why you do for me?
Why you
In-
just make one
He
video?
make one video and I say subscribe to each channel.
Okay.
Yes, guys. So, uno just stay tuned, guys, and watch what go on. Watch the process.
So my people, this is it, you know.
Yeah.
I clean up the bird and one thing. I get back them here, guys.
Out of him.
Yeah, man. Out of them.
Well, out of them.
Yeah. So I don't know where you go. I'll get it seasoned up and all, guys, and you know, put
Yeah.
them on the fire.
All right. So, no, no, I go, guys. Yeah. Stretch a video it. May I show you people them. Guys, uno look
Guys.
how Stretch burn up the bird.
And look how Micky make the bird
Me
burn
so
up.
glad you know say I know me they do nothing in the kitchen today.
Look how Micky make the bird burn up. Now pay attention.
Look, guys, Stretch burn up the bird. See there? Him burn up it.
Eh?
Me so glad me have witness there for see I know me burn up the bird, guys. Me have the witness. Witness there, guys. And who burn up the bird, little miss?
I stretch do it.
All right. All right. Boy, you burn up the bird them. All right. But you a chef do. Okay then.
The next week.
So yes, my people, see what I go on here.
Just pick that one there, yeah.
I pick leaf, you know, guys. Flowers leaf to be exact. Yeah.
So we are doing, guys.
Yeah, so Micky burn up the bird, guys, but
Me so glad
you know we
every-
still a eat it.
Yeah.
I go share for everybody. You know? So
just
glad.
hurry and let's go, that's all.
So glad little miss there. See all the tragedy where Micky caused.
Remember?
So next one. My little
Hear me.
man.
One cup on his bro.
The leg.
And stay as a fella.
Sure, you want to say?
In a hat.
Mommy, then they want the female.
Hold on.
Then we are telling to go. Want the virally.
That's a Sherian.
Sherian. That's a carry-on. A Sherian, not carry-on.
I can go get Sherry and
Sherian.
Sherian, me a deliver. Want the virally. Want the virally.
Because she little boy she a deliver.
Me now want. Me a deliver.
can't share for save my life. Put us, baby.
You share out everything.
Eh?
You share out everything.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, taste
Then
it.
I thank you.
How it taste, baby? You like it? You say, it should them a little penny. It has got taste. What's so nice? This for yourself,
Baby,
for me.
silly for share.
You deny that. Stop it deny.
Still a deliver to backside.
Me a deliver. They want
And
to
she a work hard, you know, she should have get meat.
Yes, yeah, fear.
Oh,
You
tea.
want that? Share it.
Mick.
No, more.
Little miss.
Oh, little miss. Oh.
Before I charge.
One hand slip on you. Here,
One more.
May I come?
holy good.
Eh?
What's that? Eat me
After
pigeon.
me,
May I forward?
straight. I look with chicken salt. Do something like that.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna see what I go on. Look one them enjoy the meal, you know?
You can go and eat out of that.
Yeah. You see, you like it?
Yeah. Full of salt, but me still love it.
Ah, you love salt.
Yeah. He never did feel so salty a little bit, but that's so me like it. But he was salty too, other people may
Nice.
tell you. He salty to you, little miss?
It's alright.
Alright, don't.
Guys, she trick you, you know. She never make you know so she have a tattoo, you know.
Well done.
Yes, she have a tattoo and sitting.
Guys, I know that, you know. You see, me always wear shirt with sleeve. So,
Yeah. You
I
can
know
see
me not have
tattoo
a
there.
none with sleeve now. They must say they never know. I say,
Yeah, and she not tell nobody. She not tell we. Alright, so. I don't know where going on my peeps. So just a day I go and
When me
enjoy.
done later on, me I eat more pigeon.
You eat more pigeon later, Rad? You like pigeon? Go see if you shoot one whole heap of them.
Yeah, she say, hello, you want enjoy.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Me too.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
say something to you,
I'm
camera.
going to jail.
Tell the people them hi.
Tell them for like
Hi.
share and
Tell them like, comment, share and subscribe.
Like, comment, and share, and subscribe.
Sure. Yeah. Alright, look at this. No don't
try
know.
to mommy.
You say it, put us. You know say it.
Put us like that, you know, you might say no.
Stand in the one chat. You leave the one side and one chat.
So yeah, say big man. You can say tell them like, comment, share.
You mash up the subscribe button.
Yeah, mash up the subscribe button. Not true. Sure. I post me that one day, yeah.
18 million likes.
Hear that? 18 million likes. You know, hear that, peeps? Not do the right thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got Shensia when I said, this is Shensia channel. I remember I did say so. Let me
Yeah.
them feel like, share and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Yes. Yes. What your channel name?
Shensia Williams.
Yeah.
Shensia Williams. You know, hear that, guys? Yeah. Alright, my peeps. So,
Put a bone in there.
we are going to shell it down and, you know, do the right thing, guys.